All right, let's talk about Excel, because today we are going to completely change the way you use it. We're talking about mastering selection, turning minutes of tedious, frustrating work into just seconds of pure efficiency. You know the feeling, right? You've got this massive spreadsheet, thousands of rows, and you're trying to carefully drag that little selection box all the way down without overshooting, without your fingers slipping. It's slow, it's annoying, and let's be honest, it is a huge waste of your time. But what if I told you that you almost never need to do that again? Seriously, there's a much faster, way more professional way to work. So let's dive in and unlock the real power of keyboard selection. Okay, first things first, before we get to the really cool stuff, we gotta build a solid foundation. It's key. So let's just quickly cover the absolute basics of what we're even selecting in Excel. So everything starts with the cell. It's the fundamental building block of any spreadsheet, right? That single box where row and a column meet. It's where you put your numbers, your text, your formulas. Super simple, but absolutely essential. Now, when you group those cells together, you get what's called a range. And here's a key piece of Excel lingo. If you see two cell names separated by a colon, like A2 colon A12, that's just Excel's way of saying every single cell from A2 all the way down to A12. Remembering that colon is huge. It's how we talk about big chunks of data, and selecting those chunks efficiently is exactly why we're here. All right, with the basics down, it is time for your first real power-up. We're moving beyond single cells and learning how to instantly grab entire rows and columns with just a single command. This is where it starts getting fun. So let's say you want to select a whole row. You could move your mouse all the way over to the left and click the row number. Yeah, that works. But the pro move, just click any cell in that row and press Shift plus the spacebar. Instantly, the entire row is selected. No need to even move your mouse. And you guessed it, the exact same logic applies to columns. Sure, you can scroll up and click the column letter at the top, or you can save all that motion, click any cell you want in that column, and hit Control plus the spacebar. Bam! The whole column is yours. It's a total game changer for speed. So why does this matter so much? Well, the mouse feels familiar, but it's slow. It requires all this scrolling and aiming. Keyboard shortcuts, on the other hand, are instant. They're incredibly precise, and they keep you in the flow of your work without constantly reaching for that mouse. And now for the main event. This is the one you've been waiting for. How do you select your entire data table? We're talking hundreds, maybe thousands of rows and columns in a single split-second action. Now, you are not going to believe this, but the source material shows there are at least 7 different ways to do this. 7. But don't worry, we are not going to go through all of them. We're going to focus on the absolute best, most powerful ones that will cover you 99% of the time. And the king of them all, the undisputed champion, is this simple combination right here, Control plus A. If you only learn one shortcut from this entire explainer, please make it this one. It's easy, it's powerful, and you're going to use it all the time. But here's the thing. Control plus A has this hidden power that makes it even smarter. When you click inside your data and press it once, it intelligently selects just that table. But if you press it a second time, it expands the selection to the entire worksheet. Table, then sheet. It's absolutely brilliant. Now, for those of you who love having options, here are 2 other fantastic shortcuts that do pretty much the same thing. You've got Control plus the asterisk key on your number pad, or Control plus Shift plus spacebar. Both of them will instantly grab your data region. Just find the one that feels most natural for your hands. Okay, so we've learned a lot of individual tricks. Now let's pull it all together into your official go-to toolkit. These are the 3 absolute fastest methods for selecting large, specific chunks of data that you'll use every single day. This is your new power trio. First up, the simple shift click. Click your starting cell, hold shift, click your end cell. Done. Second, the incredibly versatile Control-Shift arrow keys. And third, the super fast Control-Shift-End, which jumps you right to the bottom corner of your data. Let's break down that second method for a second because it is so incredibly useful. You start in your top left cell, right? You hold down Control and Shift. Then you tap the right arrow. And just like that, you've selected the entire top row. Now, while still holding those keys, you tap the down arrow. Boom, your entire table is selected. It's just 2 keystrokes to select a massive amount of data without ever touching the mouse. We're just about wrapping up, but I want to leave you with one final thought on how to make this shift to keyboard mastery a permanent habit, along with a very, very modern tip. Look, it takes a little time to build that muscle memory for these shortcuts. And here's a fantastic piece of advice from the source material. If you forget a shortcut, don't just give up and go back to the mouse. Ask an AI like ChatGPT. A quick question like, hey, how do I select a whole table in Excel? Will give you an instant reminder. It's like having a cheat sheet available 24/7. Because at the end of the day, making the switch from mouse to keyboard, it's not just some party trick. It makes you fundamentally faster and more accurate in your work. It shows a level of skill that really sets you apart. And most importantly, it keeps you focused on your data, not on fighting with your cursor. So I'll leave you with this question. Seriously, think about it. If you save just 5 or 10 minutes every single day using these techniques, that adds up to hours every month. What could you do with all that extra time? That's the real power of moving from mouse to master.